to make it. And the tomato also I have to put it. This I am going to make it for tomato ketchup. We have to keep it. Here we have to same this you can keep it like this. This also either you can keep it to this side. Open side you have to keep it. Open side you have to keep it like 4 egg it equals to 1 10 we used to eat. 4 முட்டை சேர்ந்தா ஒரு கோழி சாப்பிட்டது சமம். So like this you can keep it like a cereal order, you can keep it. Cereal order, or if you keep it like this you can say, then make it like a sequential order. If you keep it little ahead you have to take a sequential order. With the sequential order also you can keep it, or entirely you can keep it in a sequential order also you can keep it like this. God is so great, as in this the pen is also come, can cock. So 2-in-1, God is also make 2-in-1. You can make it like a flower, like you can make it. It look like a flower, you keep it in nearby. And then keep it one after another, so it looks like a flower. Purple